Hey, yo, Lord.
What's up?
You ready?
Of course I'm ready. Well then let's go.
Oh, Lord.
You wanna bring the noise? You don't wanna bring them toys? You don't wanna bring it forward? You don't wanna bring the noise? You don't wanna bring them toys? You don't wanna bring it forward? You don't
What up? It's your boy Lord back here with another unboxing. Oh, Lord. Shout out to all my subscribers out there. And in case I got any haters, I need to do one thing. Fix your face. This is not a game. Because tonight, we're gonna be unboxing Hush Superman 1/4 scale statue by Prime 1 Studio. That's right, y'all. This is another statue based on the Hush comic series created by L.A.W.D and the legendary Jim Lee. In this comic series, Superman...
More like Super Simp.
What?
Oh boy.
What? You heard me. He's a super simp.
Hey yo, you wrong for that.
Hey. Don't disrespect the man of steel like that. Huh. Yeah, I know I'm right. He's a hero who fights for truth, justice, and a better tomorrow.
That's right, talk to him.
A Boy Scout who is boring and naive, more faster than a speeding bullet, more powerful than a locomotive, an alien with a god complex who swears he knows it all. The man can best press the way to this planet that we live on. Come on, yo. Super simp. But yet, he shares the same weakness as an ordinary man like you and I have. What? Magic? Kryptonite? Come on, spill it, man. Who else is he willing to jeopardize everything for? Reverse time by flying around the earth? Saved hundreds of times from villains, falling debris, and even rescued from exploding. Lois Lane? But what she got that makes him weak? Exactly. Something that you've been struggling in getting.
Wow.
Yeah, it has been a minute. Oh, shoot. He's right. Don't fight the truth. Hey, yo, what you mean I be struggling? Brother, that cape is not helping. In this comic series, Superman plays an important role as a reluctant pawn. Now, the mastermind Hush teams up with several villains to psychologically and physically break Batman. One of those villains is the beautiful Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy uses a combination of pheromones and kryptonite to take control of Superman. Not by choice, Superman begins to attack Batman. Realizing the control that Superman is under, the Caped Crusader uses a kryptonite ring to weaken him during battle. Batman's cleverness eventually breaks Poison Ivy's mind control by taking advantage of Superman's love for Lois Lane once her life was threatened. Superman's involvement showed how dangerous Hush's scheme was psychologically. It showed the trust between Batman and himself, and also showed the world's greatest detective's intellect on how to survive using brains over brawn. Now in Batman Hush, Superman is not a villain, but a controlled victim used to intensify the conflict in Hush's psychological war on Batman. Now, it was unfortunate that I missed out on getting the OG 1/3 scale version of this statue. But when Prime 1 announced that they're releasing a 1/4 scale version of this bad boy, I had to get this. You already unbox it, so let's put end of the yapping, enough of this chit-chatting. Let's get to the unboxing, y'all. Let's go! Let's first take a look at the box art. On the front of the box is a close-up image of Superman portrayed in a mid-flight floating pose with his red cape flowing dramatically behind him. At the top left, you'll see the DC logo, and at the top right is the Batman Hush logo. Further down, you'll read in bold, Hush Superman, and below it displays the Prime 1 Studio emblem. On the right side of the box is a large monochromatic grayscale close-up of Superman. Displayed on the top right corner is the Superman S shield. In the center, you'll see a full-color image of the 1/4 scale statue overlaid in the foreground, and down below is the Prime 1 Studio emblem at the bottom center. On the left side of the box, you'll read information on the precautions and disclaimer. On the back of the box is a large close-up of Superman's face, portrayed with red eyes, indicating the state of being mind-controlled by Poison Ivy. The top left corner displays the Prime 1 Studio logo, the DC logo, and Superman's S shield. The right side, you'll read the word Hush in a large vertical light blue font as a backdrop. At the bottom right shows the full 1/4 scale statue, And at the bottom left, you'll read Hush Superman written in bold. And on the top of the box, you'll see the DC logo at the top left corner. In the center is a large Superman S shield, and below is the Prime 1 Studio logo. This statue we'll begin assembling is the bonus version. First, we'll place the completed base on a flat surface. Now we'll key in Superman's lower half body into the base. Next, we'll key in his upper body along with the cape. And last, we'll key in his portrait. This version includes 3 interchangeable portraits with different expressions. And 1 bonus head part. And now the statue is complete. We'll begin the review by getting a close look at this piece. First with the base. For a Prime 1 statue, this statue is pretty simple, but with good detail. As we see the Superman S shield carved on the center first capturing our attention. Surrounding the base are details showing the texture and cracks on what resembles to be some sort of a building's architectural pillar. Moving up, the details continues as we look at his boots. From the heel, the seam running down the center, and the collar of each boot. The sculpt and paint application giving off the look of leather, which is well done. Further up, as we look at the body, loving how the blue paint across his suit has depth. The shading around the quads, abdomen, biceps, triceps, and more helps highlight the sculpt on this hero. The musculature is magnified in that perfect comic book way, replicating Jim Lee's art style. Now the cape is one of the standout elements. Love how the soft blend of the colors add movement, making it at different angles look like Superman is hovering. Also can't forget how beautifully the iconic S shield pops out against his broad chest. Finally, we'll get a close look at the portraits. First portrait, we have Superman gazing forward with a clean, confident, heroic look on his face. Second portrait, we have Superman facing down with a stoic look. This is recommended if you want to display him on a high elevated shelf, intensifying the realism of his mid-flight pose. Third portrait is Superman under mind control. This has a more aggressive expression with a tighter facial tension. Last portrait is the bonus portrait, inspired by Superman for Tomorrow. This one has a deeply serious expression on his face. Like the other portraits, this one shares all the qualities when it comes to the deep cheek lines, sharp nose, clean eyebrow definition, and lip lines with stylized shading. Executed in Prime 1's quality level, this statue will immediately grab anyone's attention no matter where it will be displayed. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Your unboxing for a Hush Superman 1/4 scale statue from Prime 1 Studio. This statue stands a little over 30 inches tall, over 20 inches wide, and over 14 inches deep. This statue also weighs a little over 33 pounds, so this will be easy to display without consuming a lot of shelf space. Now what I love about this statue is how faithful the sculpt is to Jim Lee's art style from the Hush comic series. This is beautifully executed, giving you interchangeable portraits with multiple expressions and breathtaking presence. Especially the base, on how it gives you that in-air illusion, making Superman look elevated. Bringing you that classic comic book look that feels like it jumped straight off the page. Now if you're a diehard Superman collector or building a DC lineup, this statue is perfect for you. I'm simply amazed on the excellent job that Prime 1 has done with this piece, and I have no regrets adding this to my collection. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did unboxing this statue. And if you did enjoy watching this video, hit the like button and share this video. Don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I drop the next video. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and X. Now always remember, and don't you ever forget, continue to do what you love as long as you love what you do. Now I hope y'all take care and be safe out there. Oh Lord! It's your boy Lord, and I'm out.
You wanna bring the noise? You don't wanna bring them toys? Bring them toys?